hot like Ric Flair. I can't wait to drop now. Song promo not prepared. That sound like a cop out. I don't think it's too fair, but I'ma bring the block out. Slow down, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
This one is Doorbell.
I'm down on my luck, she's turning a page. I'm falling in love, she's
You'll never understand me. Whoa. You'll never get me. You'll never understand me.
That was ridiculous.
All my niggas shooters retarded. I pull up at the party with the loaded carbon. Excuse me.
Oh! I already don't like this shit. Why that hand look like that? Damn, nigga, let them answer the door. Why can I hear the doorbell all the way up here? Why that shit so loud? Why is that doorbell so loud? Why the hell can I hear somebody else's doorbell that should be ringing inside their house? Why can't I hear that shit upstairs inside my house? Who made this building? Who did the power lines? Who made the doorbell?
Why the fuck
Can I hear somebody else's doorbell inside that should be heard inside their fucking house? Why can I hear that shit upstairs in my humble abode? Why I gotta know you got somebody that's impatient at your door? That shouldn't be my problem.
That's bullshit.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
I ain't gonna lie, them fireworks was kind of fucking me up. They is blasting out there, nigga. I'm watching these scary ass shorts, nigga. Sound like somebody was thumping on my shit.
That's the booty time.
Oh, oh no. No, they gonna clip it up. No, I ain't mean that. Oh, no, that was crazy. No, pause.
Oh my god. Keep it moving.
Oh, my God. That nigga drinking Heineken. I used to date a girl. Beautiful, fine girl, bro. She used to drink Heineken, bro, like unironically. I was like, damn, that's like a construction worker beer, baby. You too damn cute to be drinking shit that make you beat your wife.
Oh, I want to smack the shit out of my wife.
Ooh. Oh, hold on, that shit was kind of hard. Hold on. Yeah. My nigga, why the fuck can I hear somebody else's doorbell like that? Nigga, they downstairs. Bro, that shit is kind of like triggering me, bro. Like, you ever lived somewhere where you like either you lived like you had a college dorm, you lived in like, you know, a dormitory or whatever, or you just lived in the neighborhood where the motherfucking walls was a little bit too thin? Or better yet, nigga, you had somebody that lived on top of you, bro. There's nothing, bro. There's something. When it comes to living in an apartment, bro, one of the worst things you can do is live under some fucking heavy, flat-footed motherfuckers that don't know how to move without fucking trying to stomp through the goddamn floor, nigga. That's one of the worst things you can experience when you got work in the morning, or school, or just want some motherfucking silence. You know how I know it's obnoxious? Because when I was on top floor, I used to do it. Oh! Shit.
You raggedy bitch.
Hold up. Oh, shit. God damn it, shut this bitch up. She can't keep getting away with this.
Oh my god.
Nigga. Oh, what the fuck? What manga that is? It ain't Kingdom. Damn sure ain't Death Note. That nigga reading fairy tales. Lord have mercy. I swear to God. Bitches, you drunk? Tell her to stop.
按够了没啊？按那么久代表没有人啊！你是故意的还是脑袋有问
Hey,
题、
nigga, she gonna ring your doorbell. She gonna ring your doorbell, nigga. Oh no, she stopped. Hold up. Thank you, Anita. I needed that. He needed that. The fuck wrong with you? What, you about to punch this bitch? Hold on. He may be the main character. Nah, he ain't built like that. Dumb. Oh, damn, she got a strong ass finger. Oh.
What a twist!
Oh. Nigga got the flu. That's crazy how loud that fucking that don't make no goddamn sense, bro. That don't make sense. Like, there's no way I can hear your doorbell inside my crib, bro. There ain't no way, bro. That bitch got locked out and they ain't got the key. Oh, you don't want to be in that position. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh, hell no. Nigga, no. Nigga, no.
We'll return after these messages.
Never in the history of you living and breathing do you let a man have the one up on you like that. Don't you ever, I swear to God. You see this face? That's the face of a man that knows he can't stop him from taking it. What is he taking? I ain't got to say it. You finish the sentence. You played Hangman before. You know how to finish the word. Nigga, I thought that was Charleston White right there.
Who?
I'm going to hell, boy. Hold on real quick. Before I play the one thing I was gonna play, I'm going to hell, y'all. I'm going to hell, because why the fuck I thought this was Charleston White right here? Why did I think this was Charleston White right here? I'm going to hell. I looked too fast. I'm sorry. Jesus, I'm sorry. Oh my God. Nigga, he built like from the abdomen, he built like Charleston White. Nigga, I just saw old and lanky and I was just like, oh shit. There go OG. There go Unc. We back on this nigga, cause you don't get away with this. You don't look like this. Nah.
I ain't got no milk, no cookies, nothing. I came looking for man's butt.
A man's butt? Excuse me?
Oh, I know who you are, Chris Hansen. But see, I calls you Chris Hansen.
Oh, my
I watch your
head.
TV show all the time. So you can go ahead and bring them cameras
shit,
and them police is waiting
no.
outside. It don't make me no difference.
Shit, no.
Now, I tell you what. I like
Oh,
you.
hell
and I
no,
want you.
nigga.
Now, we
Hell
can
no.
do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way.
Hell no, Chad.
Well, I don't think you and I will be doing anything any kind of way.
Look,
Okay, I see you choosing the hard way.
Okay, cut.
Stand the fuck up, nigga. Hell no, nigga. Stand the fuck up. Stand the fuck up, nigga. Why the hell that nigga got his hand on the back of your head like that? Oh, hell no. Look at his eyes. That is a gazelle who accepted his fate after getting caught by a lion. That is the face of the. You ever saw? Hey, no, hold on. Oh, no, nigga, no, nigga, nah, nigga, nah, nigga, nah, nigga, nah, nigga, nah, nigga, nah, nigga, nah. You ever saw that one video? It's so sad too. I swear to God, that shit hurt my heart, but it's real though, bro. You ever saw that video of that baby monkey who got caught by that leopard and just closed his eyes and knew it was over? First of all, for that little baby monkey to be conscious enough to know it's fucking dead like that, that's sad as fuck. And that's probably that's a level of fear that you're not even scared no more. You're just ready to see the All-Father. You just ready to see the Father. Hold up, bro. This is what this nigga look like. Boy, that's that nigga right there. Oh, Chad, no.
Someone get this guy out.
Don't make me ruin that bite. No, Chris, I'm a warrior.
I'm about to get some water, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, Chad, I'm back. This right here. This is no good though. This picture right here. This is a man who's about to give up being a man. This is a dude who just hit puberty and met a nigga who hit puberty way sooner than him.
Gotcha.
That nigga just hit puberty this year. That nigga hit that shit 5 years ago. And he's showing you the difference. This is nasty work. That is fear. It's multiple levels of fear before we continue with this shit. It's fear of who the fuck is in my room.
Huh?
And how the fuck did you get in here? That's fear number one. Fear number two is what gym you go to, because why can't I move my entire body from you just holding down my head against the door? So now I need your gym membership. And possibly your diet. What's your macro count? How many calories are you ingesting a day? What is the protein? What is the carbs? Unsaturated or saturated fats? Do you over under? How well do you do on that? That's the third thing. I need your diet regimen. The fourth thing, I lost count because this is just crazy. Whatever count I'm on is that whatever diet and regimen that you've been partaking in a few years is about to be put to use on my ass, his ass. And I don't like that. I don't like that shit one bit. And he gonna find out he don't like that shit one bit either. This is unknown territory for a nigga like this. This is Bush League, Rikers Island. This is episode 2 or 3 of whatever episode that was of Snowfall. Oh! Somebody! This is Fleece Johnson. This is gladiator school that he just got fucking dropped in. That nigga was going to Ivy League. That nigga was planning on going to Yale. He hung out with the wrong crowd at the wrong time. Got caught up with some knuckleheads. Now he's in the school of hard knocks and hard cocks. He's fucked. Oh, crazy. Oh, hell no. That nigga is done for. And I'm sad for him. He fucked up. He fucked up big time. And we're about to witness the end game of that. Jesus Christ. Why this nigga... Okay, I'm... He's cooked. He's cooked. It's over. It's over, bro. This is over. It's fucking over, nigga. This is the Diddy crash course.
You almost made a nigga bust on himself.
No. Boy. Oh, that got me. That got me. That got me. That got me. No. Close that shit back, nigga. Hell. The hinges on that shit, bitch. I gotta pay for that! She don't like it? Oh. Ew. Bitches with fat fingers. Bitch, how long your arm? How long is your arm? I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, you're good. But, all right. Oh, hell.
He's going night night.
Damn. It's fucked up.
He's slumber. He got his ass out in the air.
Your slippers. Damn. Fuck. It ain't over? Oh, it's his turn? Boy! Oh, okay. This bitch got mother issues. This is filmed on a budget of a whopping $50. That's crazy. Shit's one thing I learned. Mind your damn business. That's the story of a lot of these motherfucking horror stories, horror films, and it's everything. To be honest, chat. A lot of motherfuckers will not be haunted, chased, hunted, etc. if they just mind their goddamn business. That's the story, bro. That's the story of a lot of them.